And after all the rush, I found my way back to peace, and it somehow healed.